All right, guys, welcome back. This is David Dodge and Mike Slane, the Discount Property Investors, and today we're talking about REI Blackbook workflows. Mike, tell us a little bit about these automated workflows and what are they? Why are they important?
Workflows are really cool, man. So we are longtime users of REI Blackbook, and this system has evolved so much, but it's just so slick. So when a lead comes in to your system, which is either your website or it could even be called in, you're able to decide what's going to happen with it.
Ooh.
So think about this for a second. You get a lead that comes in. You can assign them a tag. So again, if it's a seller lead, you're going to assign them, motivated seller or, just seller. Then what happens next to that lead? Well, you've got to have someone call them. If you're a solopreneur like Dave and I used to be, well, it's gonna be you. So you're gonna assign yourself a task. And that's one of the best things about CRMs is the ability to assign tasks. So you have a reminder that you need to do something.
Hell yeah.
So you can assign yourself a task. Or on a workflow, if it's a seller lead, you could send them a text message or send them an email or an RVM.
Yep.
So REI Blackbook gives you the ability to do all those things. The text messages, RVMs, emails, all automatically from the CRM. Just because someone comes in, they opt in using one of your web forms, then you're able to follow up with them automatically.
I love it.
And you can schedule this stuff out too, which is really slick. You can do it instantly. You can send it out a week later, a month later, 6 months. It's just very powerful stuff. So that's the workflows. Dave, is there a little demo?
Yeah, let's watch it, man.
Yeah.
Put your follow-up on autopilot with REI Blackbook workflows. The hardest part about turning cold prospects into smoking hot deals is the follow-up. Studies show that you are 100 times more likely of actually contacting a lead if you reach out to them in the first 5 minutes. Let's say someone comes to your website today and fills out a form for a cash offer on their property. REI Blackbook will send you an instant notification so you can reach out to your lead right away. But what if you're busy? What if you work a full-time job? Or what if you're on vacation? Don't worry, we have a workflow for that. With the REI Blackbook Workflow Builder, you can make sure every single lead is followed up with immediately, no matter how crazy or relaxing your day happens to be. Let's take a look at an example workflow. In this example, John Smith visits our website and completes the form for a cash offer, at which point he is immediately added to the workflow that is assigned to this web form. His contact record is immediately tagged seller lead. A source of seller website is assigned to the contact. A notification is sent directly to me and my team so we can give him a call right away. A delay of 3 minutes is added, and then an automated personalized text message is sent just to let him know that we'll be reaching out soon. As you can see, there are merge fields in this text message, which will add his name and property address to the text. So it will read, "Hey John, I just wanted to let you know that I got your information on your property at 9875 Gravois Road, and I'll be following up shortly. When is the best time to give you a call to chat about your property?" This personalized text message will dramatically help increase your ability to get your prospects on the phone and have a meaningful conversation no matter how busy your day gets. You can also assign tasks to yourself and your team to personally follow up. Of course, if you're not able to get your prospect on the phone, you can continue to build out your workflow to ensure your leads are being followed up with on a regular basis. With REI Blackbook workflows, no lead will ever be left behind. Build long-term workflows that follow up with your prospects via automated text message, ringless voicemail, and email, and watch your dead leads turn into deals on autopilot. Get started automating your business today with REI Blackbook.
Wow, this is awesome, guys. Again, we have been using this since 2013. So we're going on 7 years of using REI Blackbook as well as the automated workflows feature. Phenomenal piece of software, guys. We highly recommend you use it. Now, if you are interested today, use reiblackbook.com/DPI. Use this URL, reiblackbook.com/DPI. And what this is going to do is this is going to allow you to test it out for 14 days, 100% free. Not only do you get a 14-day free trial, but they're going to include some popular training courses for free to teach you how to actually use this service. So guys, check it out, reiblackbook.com/DPI for all of your workflow and automated workflow needs.